Welcome! In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of filling out the Italy visa application form online for 2025. Step 1. Open your web browser and visit the official Italy visa application website at sixtoperitalia.esteri.it. Always make sure to use the official site to avoid scams or fake portals. Step 2. Create an account by registering with your email, or log in if you already have one. Make sure to use a valid email because important updates will be sent there. Step 3. Once logged in, click on Start New Application and select the type of visa you need. Whether it's a tourist, business, or student visa, choosing the correct type is important to avoid delays. Step 4. Carefully fill in your personal details, including your full name, date of birth, and passport number. Double-check that the information matches your passport exactly. Step 5. Enter your travel details such as your trip dates, accommodation address, and the purpose of your visit. Make sure these details are accurate and complete. Step 6. Upload the required documents. These typically include a scan of your passport, a recent photo, proof of accommodation, and travel insurance. Ensure all documents are clear and meet the required formats. Step 7. Review your entire application carefully. Check every detail for accuracy, then submit your application. Step 8. Pay the visa fee online using a secure payment method. Don't forget to save your payment receipt for future reference. Step 9. After payment, you will receive a confirmation email with your appointment details at the Visa Application Center. Before you go, here are a few tips. Always provide honest information, keep copies of all your documents, and if you get stuck at any point, contact the support team for help. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe for more visa tips and tutorials. Good luck with your Italy visa application.